started on the cage. Originally was going to put an 8-point in it, but we're required to run a 10-point now. So we had to pull the dash, which put us a little bit further behind than we anticipated. Get the dash all pulled out of here. It was kind of a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. This Rhodes Race Car cage fits horribly too. It's one of the pre-bent, pre-notched cages, and it is awful. It's not even close to fitting, so we've had to do a few things, make a few changes, cut some pieces off of it. There's a lot of work we're gonna need to do to make it right. Hopefully we can get this thing back together in time for the event. Here's the dash. I was thinking of deleting the HVAC system and stuff while I was at it, although everything works in the car, so it's kind of a tough decision. I don't know if I really want to delete the AC since it still functions. Got the main hoop in, which was just horribly bent from the factory, or from Rhodes Race Cars. So we kind of got that in there, and that's about it. You got to cut about 6 inches off.
Good girl.
So I'm touching right here. That's pretty tight to the roof. Well, the cage is coming along really nicely. Got her drop down through the floor. See if I can get this gimbal to go down there. So, got it drop down through the floor, getting it all welded up, getting closer on it. It's looking real nice though. So yeah, all in all, really excited for this thing. So I haven't been doing a great job of updating what's been going on with the cage, and I really didn't film nearly enough, unfortunately. But we did a couple things to it in the meantime, but separated the dash pad from the actual kind of the frame of the dash itself, the dash bar. Separated that, cut the dash bar in half, fitted that in around the cage on both sides, and then cut the dash into 3 sections.
Sticker. Dude, it's really sad, but I'm like extremely excited to see like everyone's car ready to go for the first event, and like just everyone to be there ready to rock at the first event.
That's the best part of the season.
Dude, I'm
about ready to paint. Oh yeah.
I need one bad, and that's the thing that is just fucking killing me right now. Is I want to edit shit because it takes so fucking.
This is 200, so it's quite 200, I think. Which is a lot in like a year. It's had it on a year. I'm using this all the time. Getting overspray all over everything.
Yeah, it's all good.
That's how we paint drift cars right here. No fucks given.
Hey, no cussing. It's gonna be on YouTube, damn it. I'm like really in love with this little camera. This thing is badass. Took the express train to Runtown.
You can see there's a few
Like,
slight imperfections. Like I don't know what the fuck's going on there, but
minus its few imperfections, it's flawless.
Dude, you literally just... Dude.
Fuck it.
That's why I said next time I think I'm just gonna paint this whole thing white. Literally, I just wiped off all of my side skirts and then I just fucked them again.
That was clean about a minute ago.
Jesus. Stupidity is strong. It's time to go home.
Wait, you have a house? I thought you just lived here.
I feel like I do.
Damn, it's actually starting to look like a race car, though. Look at that.
Look at that.
Would you
Smell
just?
it.
Would
Too bad
you just
can't
look at
smell
it?
But it smells good.
Hey, Cody.
What?
Would you just look at it?
Oh, I've done looked at it.
This is the official Cage Paint and Paint. It's the universal gloss all surface paint and primer, maximum adhesion. Oh,
Oh.